your dental exam today?
Yes.
My name is Margarita, and I'm a dental assistant student at Pima Community College.
Are you comfortable with that?
Yes, ma'am.
I was a dentist in Mexico. I retired, but I still wanted to be doing dentistry, and I decided to come to Pima.
How old are you?
You wanna know?
Yeah.
I'm 68, yeah.
We use the heavy one or the
Being with young people here in the program has made me feel, alive. I want to talk dentistry with them. I feel like I'm the abuelita. I'm so happy that the fees that I paid are going for the national exam. And I know Pima is the only school that does that here in Tucson. I don't feel overwhelmed that I need to pay all this money. Pima is a CODA accredited. There's many schools here in Arizona, but Pima is the only one of two that does that.
Straight across the only, well, if you get a marker.
Instructors for me, they have made a big part on my journey. Teachers have a lot of experience, and that's very important for me. I know I'm ready to get a job. This is the best decision that I have taken.
Track your career at an affordable price.